May's Phonics Workbook, Video Lecture number 5. Read and make words. Read and make words. Jam, dam, pam, ram, sam, yam. Jam, sam, dam, yam, pam, ram. Video lecture number 6. Read and make words. Read and make words. K and can, f and fan, and man, p and pan, and ran, v and van. Can, pan, fan, ran, man, van. Video lecture number 7. Read and make words. Read and make words. Cab, 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 lab, lab. Read and make word. Read and make word. Gas, gas. Read and make words. Read and make words. Max, 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 tax, vex, max, tax, vex. Cab, lab, gas, max, tax, vex. Video lecture number 8. Read and make words. Read and make words. Cab, cap, cap, lab, map, nap, rap, tab, tab, cap, lab, map, nap, rap, tab, cap, nap, lab, rap, map, tab. Video lecture number 9. Trace and match. Trace and match. Trace and match. This is the name of rat. Rat. Now find out the picture of rat. Is it rat? No. Is it rat? No. Is it rat? No. Is it rat? Yes. This is rat. Now match the name of rat with its picture. This is the name of dad. This is the name of dad. Now find out the picture of dad. Is it dad? No. Is it dad? No. Is it dad? No. Is it dad? No. Is it dad? Yes, this is the picture of dad. Now match the name of dad with its picture. This is the name of tag. Now find out the picture of tag. Is it tag? Yes, this is the picture of tag. Now match the name of tag with its picture. This is bag. Bag. Now find out the picture of bag. Is it bag? No. Is it bag? No. Is it bag? Yes, this is the picture of bag. Now match the name of bag with its picture. This is the name of jam. Jam, jam. Now find out the picture of jam. Is it jam? No. Is it jam? Yes, this is the picture of jam. Now match the name of jam with its picture.